If your dog is producing these sounds, do not panic. It's called reverse sneezing, and while it looks scary, it's usually harmless. Reverse sneezing happens when your dog rapidly inhales due to irritation in their throat or nasal passages. It can be triggered by excitement, allergies, strong smells, or even pulling on the leash. The best thing you can do is stay calm because panicking makes it worse. You can help by gently massaging their throat, lightly covering their nostrils for a second to encourage swallowing, and keeping them relaxed. Most of the time, it passes in seconds. Tag a fellow dog parent and save this for later.